Hugo. Sir, come over here. Hugo. You want to come over? Come on. What do you think, sir?
Hugo, this will make you move.
Oh, that's good. Hugo, look at this. Look at this big flashlight. Look. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty neat. Come get it, boy.
You look nice. Can you get it? Can you get it? Show me. Show me. Come on, big boy.
He's gonna get it.
Come on, big boy.
There's a dog outside, huh?
You hear a doggy? The dog without a leash all the way up here last time when we went inside the house. Uh-oh. The big dog? I'm sorry, not the little beagle, but the big one.
Come on, boy.
Like not like this size, like this. I saw that I picked that the black and white. Yeah.
Almost. So close.
Okay, you did it, big boy.
Yeah, he's been doing that recently. He's like kind of getting his legs up. And he got it. Yay, Hugo.